Kukreja. Ramneek Kundra. Chandani Mehra. Varun Prakash. Jannat Sabharwal. Tushar Sehgal. Praful Sethi. Meenu Subha. Smriti Taneja. Kulwin Sehra. Mehak Jain. Aditi Soni. Rashi Singh. Nikita Gupta. And Himanshi Chaudhary. Dean School of Management, sir, I present to you in addition for the award of degree of University of Bradford in absentia those graduates whose names appear in the order of proceedings but who are not present in person at this ceremony.
By the authority vested in me, I admit these candidates to degrees of the University in absentia.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I present graduates who have secured first, second, and third positions at the Bachelor of Science in Business and Management Examination 2009 and are being awarded the gold, silver, and bronze medals, as also those graduates who are being awarded Certificate of Honor for securing highest marks in the module of Stage 3. May I request our chairperson, Mrs. Malvika Rai, to please award the medals and the Certificate of Honor. Dr. Kulwant Rai Gold Medal for securing first position awarded to Gunita Kohli. Gunita is also awarded the Certificate of Honor for securing highest marks in Global Business Environment, Corporate Reporting and Global Accounting, and Marketing and Entrepreneurship. Dr. Kulwant Rai Silver Medal for securing second position is awarded to Srishti Bhagat. Awarded the Certificate of Honor in Capital Markets Investment and Finance and Direct Marketing. Dr. Kulwant Rai Bronze for securing third position is awarded to Aditi Soni. Aditi is also awarded the Certificate of Honor in Marketing and Entrepreneurship. Other recipients of the Certificate of Honor are Anurag Nair, for Applied Strategic Management, Human Resource Management, and Ethics in Business and Society. Avnish Jindal, for Retailing and Services Marketing. Chandani Mehra for understanding strategic management. Karthik Mohendra for international finance and marketing and entrepreneurship. Smriti Taneja for corporate marketing. Varun Garovar for contemporary issues in accounting and e-commerce. Dean Sir, now I wish to announce the recipient of the best project of the graduating year. Sir, of the various projects submitted, the project on strategic analysis of Bharti Airtel Limited, submitted by Anurag Nair, have been adjudged best for the award of the special prize. May I request you, sir, to please award the prize. Anurag Nair. Sir, this concludes the award of medals and certificate of honor. May I now request the Director and Executive Dean, Ms. Sapna Popli, to deliver her address.
Professor Francis, Dean School of Management, Mrs. Malvika Rai, Chairperson IILM, Professor Keith Henning, Director of Studies India, Ms. Meena Bhatia, Dean Undergraduate Business School, members of the board, faculty members, parents and my dear students. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to the 11th graduation ceremony of the IILM Undergraduate Business School. As the director of the institute, one of my more pleasant responsibilities is to address the outgoing batch. The energy and the enthusiasm of the graduating batch is infectious. Each graduating batch leaves with many new ideas, learning, dreams, and conviction to enthuse and change the world around. Today's stars are the graduating students, so let me begin with them. Warmest congratulations to all graduates, and a special word of congratulations to those who have received awards and medals. I would also like to extend my congratulations to the proud parents, who I know will remember this day with much greater fondness than the graduating students. My congratulations to all parents, whose role in the success of their children is larger than children usually think it is. Many congratulations to all faculty who have been involved with the graduating batch through these years. IILM Undergraduate Business School has come a long way since its first batch in 1996. The program started with a batch of 46 students. Since then, we have seen 10 glorious graduation ceremonies with 885 students graduating with flying colors. And the batch is graduating today on the 11th graduation ceremony. The program offered by IILM UBS in collaboration with the University of Bradford is of an equivalent standard to the UK-based awards and is certified both by the internal quality assured processes of the University of Bradford and externally by the UK Quality Assurance Agency. The UBS program runs entirely in sync with the Bradford calendar, enabling students to transfer in any semester and reinforcing the maintained standards of quality across the UBS program delivery.